Hello everyone. Now this video will teach you the highlight features of the DFL, HDD repair, and data recovery software. We can see this one is the DFL control panel, and with this control panel, users can check all the software modules included within the DFL SRP data recovery hardware or DFL PCIe data recovery equipment. This panel detects not only the drives connected to the data recovery hardware, it detects other portable drives connected to the computers as well. Now we can see this one is the data recovery software module. And this one is the Western Digital firmware repair software module, and the other for Seagate, Samsung, Hitachi, IBM, Toshiba, and Fujitsu firmware software module. So if we divide these software modules to two groups, this one is for data recovery and quick firmware repair. And these five are for professional firmware repair, to repair the corrupted firmware modules or edit the firmware modules. Now let's check the first one. This is a data recovery software module. On the left side, we can see the common and firmware repair functions for different hard drive brands. And these 80 commands is for all the hard drive brands. We can see soft reset, hard reset, and these two are for hard swap. And this one is to add password and remove the password and set max OBA. Okay, these are for all the hard drives, all the brands. Now we can see the quick repair, quick firmware repair for the Western Digital hard drives, and this for the new SMR hard drives. These are the highlight features here, and the users can load the T2 notice module 190 automatically here. Okay, so this is one of the highlight feature for the DFO DDP for new Western Digital SMR drives. And we have the special module 190 repair manager here. Two modes to repair. This repair is automatic repair, intelligent mode, and expert mode. We just select the module 190 to repair. And this one is to fix the SMR drives, no issue. Okay, so quick repair solutions for the Seagate hard drives we can see here. We have added for both the new F3 hard drives and also for the old hard drives we can see here. These are for old hard drives. For the Barracuda 0.7 to 0.10, and for Samsung, and these are the quick firmware repair solutions for the Samsung hard drives, like the LED thinner, the A-list corruption, and remove password. For Toshiba, it's just for the translator corruption. We can use the ClearGenist or virtual translator. Hitachi, this one is also used for the firmware translator corruption and also the helium drive translator recovery. Okay, this is also one of the highlight features for the DFL DDP data recovery software, and these functions are very helpful Just one click to fix the failure and then get the lost data back with the DFL DTP data recovery software. And we can open this firmware repair software at the same time on the other channels. We can work on multiple drives at the same time. And this is SATA 0, we can see this one. And this is SATA 1 for firmware repair. Now this is a professional firmware repair solutions and software. We can see the families for all the Seagate hard drive brands. Here are the supported families. And these are the new ones. And we have already added the latest C6, C8 to this support list, and this one is available in the new software upgrade. And we can enter the software. We can see these are the professional firmware repair solutions here. To back up, write, edit all the firmware modules as well as tracks, etc. To work with the Seagate drive defects, to adjust the head temperature here, to repair the weak head of Seagate drives. These are also the highlight features for the DFL Seagate HD firmware repair software. And also this one, this is the auto partial sector access solution for the new Rosewood. This is also the highlight feature for the Seagate repair software. It's very helpful. And within the RAM, we have also the boot operations and initialization. These ones are also very helpful to fix different failures. Okay, so we can see here the loader. Boot operations. To fix the busy drives or LED drives, we can use the virtual boot by this one. And here we can also use this one for Seagate F3 hot swap. So we have many professional firmware repair solutions within this latest Seagate firmware repair software, including the new Seagate SMR drive, all zero data recovery cases. We can find solutions here, and also the SSHD. And we can see the quick repair solutions here are also included. Just one click to fix. This is the Seagate. We can check the Western Digital Professional firmware repair solution. And we can enter the software to see the detailed solutions for the Western Digital firmware repair. Please note these firmware repair solutions here are different from those available within the DFL DTP data recovery software. These one are for quick firmware repair, just one click to fix, and these ones are for professional firmware repair to edit modules repair modules, etc. Okay, here are complete solution within one click, but here we can repair all the failures, firmware failures, step by step, manually or automatically here. So this is a difference for the firmware repair. Thank you for watching the video.